Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials: a finished MP4 encoded in H.264, a verified channel, and a concise title and description. Once ready, sign into YouTube and open YouTube Studio. Make sure to click Create and choose Upload Videos immediately. Drag your file into the uploader or browse to select it and watch the progress bar. This tells you when processing starts. While it uploads, prepare thumbnails and metadata so you can move quickly once processing completes. Once the file uploads, focus on metadata because it drives discovery. Enter a clear title that contains main keywords, write a helpful description with links and timestamps, and add tags, then upload a 1280 by 720 thumbnail for better CTR. After that, pick a playlist, mark whether the video is made for kids, and add chapters and captions for accessibility. These help watch time. Also set age restrictions and license. Once done, double-check timestamps and captions so viewers get the best experience. Finalize by choosing visibility. Publish now, schedule for peak hours, or keep private while you final check. Enable monetization and add end screens and cards to boost engagement. Then set distribution options if you want to share on social platforms automatically. Click Publish or Schedule and watch the first-hour analytics for retention cues. If processing stalls or the thumbnail doesn't show, retry upload, clear cache, or re-export the file at 1080p. Those fixes resolve most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.